Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get an Infiniti FX45 key replacement in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. In addition, I will go over the estimated cost, type of keys, coding information and some great tips to save you a lot of time and money. Of course, if you need any help, you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith near you. So, Infiniti FX45 has two types of keys. One is a key fob or a push to start option. You get into the vehicle, push the start button and the car is on. The other option is a regular ignition, which you actually have to put the key in the ignition and turn to start the vehicle. Let's go over each option. For the push to start option for 2005, 6, 7 and 8, we have a key fob with the part number CW T like Tom WB like boy U619, which needs to be coded on site with a special machine. For 2003 and 2004 we have a key fob N like Nancy HV WB like boy U612, which needs to be coded on site as well. And for Infiniti FX45 with a regular ignition, we have a transponder key for 2003, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 with a part number and like Nancy I like ignition 04T, which needs to be coded on site as well. Now it's time for tip number 1. There are many different key fobs and transponder keys that looks exactly the same. However, they have different chip value inside them, and if you get the wrong key, you get the wrong chip. The wrong chip, and you will not be able to start the car. So always remember to provide the locksmith or dealer either the exact year, make and model of your car, or the VIN number and the type of key you had. For example, 2008 Infiniti FX45 push to start option or key fob. Now, let's go over Infiniti FX45 key replacement cost. You have three options to get a key replacement and the price varies, depending on where you get the new key. First, get a key online and then have a locksmith or dealer cut and program it for you. Second, call an automotive locksmith who can come and make you a key and code it on site. And third, tow the car to the dealer. Let's start with the key fob. Online depends on the key fob. You can get it for about $40 to $70 and including cutting and coding about $260 to $300. A locksmith should charge you about $300 as well for on-site service at your location and the dealer $360. For the regular ignition option you should pay online about $15 for the key and about $180 for cutting and coding the key. A locksmith should charge you about $200 for on-site service and the dealer about $300. The following is very important to remember. While some keys can be coded without a special machine, it is not the case here. Therefore, if you decide to buy a key online, you will have to contact either the locksmith or dealer to do it for you. You cannot do it yourself. Before we continue, a quick word about a spare set. Making an additional key when you already have a working key is much cheaper and faster. Therefore, we highly recommend getting two keys in case you lose all your keys, as the second key should cost less than half. Now, some tips to save you a lot of time and money. First, call a few locksmiths, get a few quotes. This is very important as some locksmiths are very busy on a given day and some aren't. Use it for your advantage. Second, try to call a few companies, even if they are not located right next to your location. Most locksmiths offer a mobile service, sometimes up to 30-mile radius. So even though the business address might be far from you, they might be helping the customer right next to you. Third, try to schedule an appointment, if you can wait a while. Most locksmiths would prefer to give you a 10, even 15% discount if you can wait while they finish another job. This way, it can work out for everybody. You get a discount, they get a job. Ask for it. Don't be shy. Finally, just like a mortgage, try to negotiate. If you find a better quote, tell them. Who knows? Maybe they will give you a better one. For more great tips, you can read our blog post about car key replacement cost. That's it. I hope you like this video. I would really appreciate if you can comment below to help other people and tell us how much you paid. And of course, if you need help, just give us a call. Thank you very much.